Klover updates can change how the app behaves overnight, even if the change log in your App Store looks short. A new version can affect login, bank connections, cash advance eligibility, notifications, or bug fixes without changing how the app looks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check what changed in the latest Klover update, how to spot whether an update caused a problem, and what to do next. The fastest way to see recent changes is to open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android, search for Klover, and open the app page. Scroll to the What's New section. That area usually lists the latest fixes, performance improvements, or newly added features included in the current release. If the notes only say things like bug fixes or performance improvements, that usually means the company updated the app without publishing a detailed feature list. In that case, compare the version number on your phone with the version shown in the App Store to confirm you're running the latest release. If you updated Klover and something stopped working, don't assume your account is the problem. Start by force closing the app and opening it again. If that doesn't help, restart your phone. Then check whether another update has already been released to fix the issue. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network problem. If your bank account no longer connects, disconnect it inside Klover and complete the linking process again. App updates sometimes require financial connections to refresh before everything works normally. If the problem started immediately after installing a new version, check whether other users are reporting the same issue through recent app reviews or Klover's official support channels. When multiple users experience the same problem, the fix usually comes through another app update rather than changes to your account. If none of these steps work, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall Klover on iPhone and Android. Before uninstalling, make sure you know your login details so you can sign back in without delays. The key things to remember are simple. First, always read the latest What's New section before updating. Second, compare your app version if something changes unexpectedly. Third, use basic troubleshooting before assuming your account has a problem. Your next step is to check whether you're running the newest Klover version and review the latest update notes. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Klover guides for more quick fixes.